Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can delete a focus on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, go into settings, and then from the settings screen we scroll down and tap on focus. Next, in here, open up a focus that you would like to delete. So for example, I got a fitness focus here which I don't really use, so I can open up. Then we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on delete focus. Then from the pop-up, tap on delete focus to confirm. And that's it. It's straightforward. That's how you can delete a focus. By deleting the focus, you can see in your focus menu, it is nice and clean, and you are not filled with full focus, which you don't use. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.